In DegreeWorks, you have the ability to create a what-if audit. These audits show you how your credits would apply towards a different major. If you are thinking about changing your major selection, you are encouraged to run a what-if audit to see how the change would impact your graduation timelines and courses needed to graduate. If you are interested in learning more about the implications changing your major has on your timeline, please contact your academic advisor. Your name and academic information will appear in the first card of your degree audit page. Click the What If tool beneath the first card. Once it loads, we are going to look under each section. When we look under Program, we see the options for Catalog Year, Degree, and Level. Under Program, we see the option for Area of Studies. Listed here are Major, Minor, and Concentration. This is the area that you can select the other major you would like to see the What If audit for. So I'm going to select a different major than this student has originally selected. At the bottom, we will see Future Courses. This gives us the option to input any future courses that we are planning to take to see how that would affect our degree audit as well. Now we are going to select Process New. And now we see our What If degree audit. This will show us how all of our credits will apply towards the new major we selected. What If audits do not save onto your main degree audit page. So if you would like to keep this for your records, please save the audit. To save the audit, you will scroll up to the top and hit the printer icon. This will create a PDF version of your degree audit that you can save for your records. If you are interested in changing your major, please meet with your academic advisor for more information and next steps.